Hey fellow YouTubers and Korg enthusiasts, so this right here is part 4 of the LED replacement on a Korg Pa2x. So basically we finished the LED replacement. This is just how to put the keyboard back together. Basically underneath each wood trim piece you have 3 Allen bolts. You want to put those back together, and this is the same procedure just backwards for getting the keyboard apart. So once we got those in there removed, you'll have one bolt here on one edge, and all the way on the other side you will have one bolt right there, or one screw right there. You have 4 screws right here where the pitch bender is, 3 Allen bolts on this side, and we have 3 black screws right there to screw in. This holds the keyboard attached to the bottom panel and doesn't let it flip open. And we have 2 bolts or 2 screws right here for the RAM cover. Now this right here I have taped up the Allen key used for the sides and left it inside, so that way I don't lose it. And that's it. Now we get to turn it on and see how it works.